Hello friends, welcome back. In this video you will see how to give an alias name to a column, how to find out distinct records, and how to remove or delete records with delete command, truncate and drop command. If you want to delete existing records from the table, so use delete command. The delete command deletes one, many or even all records in a table depending on the conditions that you specify. The syntax is delete from table name where conditions. If delete command is executed without conditions, it will delete all records in a table. For example, delete from students, so it will delete all the records from table student. How to alias a column name? So for this you can use as keyword. For example, as you can see here, select salary into 12 as annual salary. So here is your temporary label to column salary multiplied by 12. So using as keyword you can temporarily assign a column label. How to remove duplicate records with distinct keyword? If you use the keyword distinct after the keyword select, you will only get unique rows. So distinct clause will remove all the duplicate values and display only unique values. So let's see how to use these queries with MySQL. So let's start with practical. So here is my table employee, and in this column employee salary I want to increase or increment 2% for all employees in salary. So for this you can use select employee salary plus employee salary. Now increment with 2%, so use 2 divided by 100 from table employee. But when you run this statement, it will increase or increment your all values in column employee salary. So you can see here the label of this column. So for this we use alias name. If you want to give the temporary label for this column, so you can use as and use column label incremented value, incremented values. So now you can see the difference. So if you want to give an alias name to a column, use as keyword. Next is distinct keyword. Select distinct, column name is e-address from table name employee, so it will remove all the duplicate records or values and display only unique values. Some spelling is wrong, distinct, okay, and so the spelling is distinct column name from table name. So here you can see, so it will display only unique values, it will not display repeated values. Next is delete command. Delete command is used to delete a record or existing records from your table. For example, if you want to delete this record of employee ID 4, so use delete table name, delete from employee where ID equals to 4. So it will delete your record number 4. So here you can see employee ID 4 has been deleted now. You can use truncate command also, truncate table and table name. When you use this truncate statement, it will remove or delete all the records from your table, but your structure of the table remain exist. Let's see. So your query is okay. So it will remove all the records from your table, so it gives you empty set. Now let's see where is the structure of my table. So we can use describe clause or command. So here is the structure. So when you use truncate command, it will remove all the records, but your structure remain exist. And when you use drop command, drop table, your table name, so it will remove your table including records. So your table has been removed. Let's see DSC employee. So your table in your database employee DB does not exist. Thank you for watching the video.